Valrico couple said "I do," but it was much more than just a wedding day. It was a wish granted. The groom is battling terminal cancer. After he received the news from doctors, he knew all he wanted was to spend the rest of his days married to his best friend. The community rallied behind them, making plans and collecting donations. And in a matter of days, they helped put together a wedding of their dreams.
To Dustin
for better, for worse.
I do.
For richer, for poorer.
I do.
In sickness and health.
Thank you for being there for me through the toughest times of my life.
Dustin Snyder and Siverio have lived these vows long before their wedding day.
I believe that unconditional love is what we are witnessing here today.
The 19-year-olds from Valrico are high school sweethearts who first met in middle school. Everything changed the day before Dustin's 18th birthday. He was diagnosed with cancer, and Sierra never left his side.
Probably after my first surgery, when she was there for me in the hospital for 10 days straight, didn't ever leave, that's when I knew she was the one.
He's battled the disease on again, off again, until recently when doctors shared the devastating news his cancer was terminal and he had only weeks to live. Dustin knew all he wanted was to marry his best friend.
Saying I do and being forever and in love with Sierra and being with her for the rest of as long as I have.
Word got around and the community embraced the young couple. In a matter of days, donations poured in, tens of thousands of dollars, the dress, the cake, the rings, the venue, and Sunday at the Big Red Barn in Plant City, their wish came true.
Mr. and Mrs. Dustin Snyder.
It's a beautiful venue, beautiful place. All the people I love, all my friends, family here. This is anything I could ever ask for.
It's a bittersweet occasion. They both know their toughest days lie ahead, but they'll face it all together now as husband and wife.
I was nervous, but I was excited because I got to marry my best friend.
I feel amazing. It's the best, most special day of my life for sure.
Both Dustin and Sierra say they are incredibly grateful for all of those who made this day so special. They're headed to Disney World now to celebrate their honeymoon. Afterward, they say they're going to cherish every last moment they have together. And we certainly wish them all the happiness in the world.